In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a button to a page in WordPress. Whether you're creating a call to action on a landing page or just want to direct users to a specific section on your site, this guide will walk you through the process in a simple and clear way. First, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard, which is the control center for all your site's content and design. Once you're at the dashboard, look for the menu on the left side and click on All Pages. This list gives you access to every page on your WordPress site. Next, choose the specific page where you want to add or modify a button. Click on Edit under that page's title to open the page editor. This is where you can adjust content and design elements to suit your needs. Now, inside the page editor, you'll need to find the plus icon or the specific area where you can insert a new block. WordPress uses a block system that makes it easy to add various types of content, including links and buttons. If you're having trouble locating the button option, just type button in the search bar and select it from the appearing options. Once you have your button on the page, look for the link icon. Clicking it allows you to add a URL or select another page within your site to link the button to. This is the critical step where you decide where visitors will go when they click your new button. Type the name of the page you want users to land on when they click the button. This is supremely handy if you have multiple pages or destination options. Select the page you prefer from the search results. For instance, let's say you want to direct clicks to your new page. After setting your link, you might want to refine the button's design. Look for the More options to modify colors, sizes, and other style elements, making sure your button aligns with your site's aesthetic. When you're satisfied with how everything looks and works, it's time to save your changes. Click on the Save button to update your page with the new button. This ensures all your adjustments are applied and visible to your site visitors. Finally, click View Page to preview your masterpiece. This step lets you test the button to confirm that clicking it directs users to the intended page without any hiccups. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively link a button to any page of your WordPress site, enhancing navigation and improving user experience. Be sure to test the button's functionality, making sure it leads exactly where you want. Thanks for watching and happy creating.